Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a phone number from the Discord application. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is simply open your Discord application, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and after that, click on the gear option at the top right-hand corner, and then scroll down and click on Account. Now in your account page, you should be able to see your username, display name, email, password, and phone number. Now over here, there is an important thing that you should know. If you don't have a verified email address already attached, you will not be able to remove your phone number because Discord needs something to verify your account. So make sure to add your email address before removing the phone number. So once you have both of them, click on your phone number. And then, over here, you should be able to see an option called Remove Phone Number. Click on that option. Then, enter your Discord password, and then click on Done. Once you click on Done, your phone number will completely be removed from Discord. So, that's it. Now you know exactly how to remove your phone number from Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.